Hello, welcome to Lasse Barbecue. Before McDonald's came to Sweden, we had korvmojar. It's like a sausage stand or a little hut where you can buy a hot dog or something like that. And they have one thing that I haven't seen anywhere else. It's called Tunnbrödsrulle, which is freely translated, it's like a tortilla wrap, a soft tortilla wrap with mashed potatoes and Wiener hot dogs. You can also have other things in it. I usually put some iceberg lettuce in it and some shrimp salad. So we're gonna make some shrimp salad. We're gonna boil some water and boil the hot dogs, or actually cook them. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and I'll bring you along. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to boil some water, and in the water we're gonna put 2 onions cut to pieces. This is just for flavoring, so it doesn't need to be pretty. We're gonna put 4 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of mixed peppercorn. You can use just any peppercorn. I'm gonna bring that to a boil and let it simmer for a while, and then we're gonna put the Wiener dogs in there, but we're gonna put them once we turn off the heat in the water, because otherwise they might break, and we don't want that. Okay, so we're gonna make a shrimp salad. This is really easy. We're gonna start off by using 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup of sour cream, and to this we're going to add the zest of 1 lemon, we have to figure out something to do with the lemon juice because we're not going to use that, we just want the zest. Just like so. We're gonna put some salt and pepper in there. Any amount you think is okay. Gonna give this a stir. And then we're gonna add about this much. However much that is, I guess it will be about 1 cup of chopped dill. Removing the thickest stems, they don't really need to be in there. I think that's good enough. I'm just gonna add that right in there, and then give this a stir. And then we have 2 cups of peeled shrimp. Just pour them in there and then fold them in. And there we go. And this is what we're looking for. Creamy consistency, just like so. I'll give it a whip just before using it. This goes in the fridge until we're done with the rest of the preparations. Okay, so the water's been boiling for about 10 minutes. So I'm not gonna make more hot dogs or Wiener dogs that I need. So I'm gonna put them in there, let them get warm. While we wait for them to get warm, we're gonna butter up the bread. Just a little bit, it's for the flavor. This is of course optional, and not all restaurants do this, but any which way. Then we're gonna add a little bit of mashed potatoes to this. Normally the bread should be larger than this, so this might be a little bit troublesome. We're gonna add a little bit of salad to that. We're gonna add a generous dollop of shrimp salad, something like so. Gonna add mustard, also optional, and I am not a I'm not in favor of regular ketchup, so I'm going to use curry ketchup. Similar to that, but a little bit sweeter. And now we consider this to be warm. So we're going to take one hot dog, place that in the middle, push it down. Now we're going to try to fold this. Fold up the bottom, fold in the sides, and then we use the cheating method. This is going to be too much, as you might notice. I'm going to put a little bit of foil underneath the bottom, just like so, making a mess. It's okay. And then if you were in a restaurant, you would get a plastic fork, but we put a fork in there and say, have a nice meal. Okay, there we go. So this is regular Tunnbrodsrulle. I'm gonna eat it like I do when I'm walking the dogs and hiding my evening habits. This is messy. It's very good. I'm gonna have another bite. That's just the way you get it in the hot dog shop. I think that's really good, and it's a Swedish meal, so it goes under husmanskost. Tunnbrodsrulle from Kormojen. Thank you for watching. Bye.